I'm Lynette.
I'm Chris.
And we're a mother and son team from More Than Loft Ladders, Portsmouth. We cover West Sussex, Portsmouth, some Brighton postcodes, and even into Hampshire.
We provide loft surfaces to create cost-effective space, loft boarding, loft ladders, insulation, lighting, all kinds of accessories such as shelving and flaps that help ventilation in your loft. So the advantages of having your loft boarded are to make your loft a lot more accessible. You can also free up a lot of space in your house by having more space in the loft, and come in very useful things such as your Christmas decorations and suitcases.
Or even somewhere to stash the children's presents, away from prying eyes. So as soon as we receive your inquiry, I'll speak to you on the telephone or by email, whatever your preference. We'll arrange for Chris to come out and give you a quote, which will be the set quote. You'll receive it really quickly.
The quote I will give you will be the price, not just an estimate. I'll come round, we will discuss all your needs, we can go through different options, and we will transform your loft to exactly how you would like it.
And then hopefully you'll go ahead and book with us.
Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon around Portsmouth.